Good morning everyone. This is Zahid Abbas and you are watching IT Assignment Professor channel. Today we are going to start last assignment of the module 1 Critical Thinking Project 1C. Critical Thinking Project 1C. Tabula Insurance Agency. Okay. So I have downloaded these two files. One is the Excel and one is the Word file from the same website. You can download easily by using this same website. Okay, so I have already downloaded it. Just we will start from the beginning. As the previous videos, in the first paragraph, in the first tab, we will do the rename of the file. So go in the file menu, click on save as, then click on browse, then replace this one with 2 and click on the save button. So in this paragraph he is just saying that download and rename it, so we have done this. So we will move to the next main question. In the question number 1, basically main question start from here. In the first question he is saying that the personal worksheet need clean up. Start by moving to cell of the title information, one column of the left to the left. Okay, so we will move to the Excel sheet and go to the personal sheet. So this is our title. We need to move to the left side. Okay, so we just need to cut the content and paste here. Okay, so simply control X you can cut the content, and then control V you can use for the paste. Okay, so we have done this, and further he is saying that resize the column to best fit the newly include information. So we just need to go on the column number 1. When the plus sign is appear, just double click here. Okay, so we have done this. Now I am going to move to the next question. So question number 2 is change the width of the column contain salaries. Okay, we need to change the column width in which the word salaries are written. Okay, to match the width of the column contain commissioning. So we will go to the Excel sheet. We will check the width of the column C in which this commission is written. So you can go here, right click, go to the column width. The column width is 16. So simply we will go in the column number B and change the width 16. Click OK. So we have done question number 2. Now question number 3 is, he is saying that the salary and commission column need to be complete. Enter the data show in the table 1 in the appropriate cell. Okay, so just we need to copy these values one by one. Control C, and we need to put in the column B and C. Okay, the second value, Control C, then paste here, and the last value, Control C, and then paste here. So we have completed the column number B. Now we will put the values in the column number C. C. Control C and Control V. Okay, and the last value is 0.00. You can write down manually. Okay, so question number 3 is complete. Step by step I am going to guide you so that no problem can be occur. So the question number 4, the email need to be filled in as well. Start by the entering. So we need to copy this email, and further he is saying in the corresponding cells fill the remaining emails by using the flash fill. So simply we will go on the Excel sheet. In the email column we will paste the email. First we have copy from the instruction sheet, and then we will select the whole cells and go on the flash fill button and press OK. So we have done this. Okay, so the next question, the column contain email could use a bit more space at the at the sides. Change the width to 36. Just copy the 36, go to email column. Okay, click on column number D, go to column width and press the 36 or paste the value here. Click OK. So we have done this. Okay, the next question is, the employee information table also need show the total salary and total commission. Start by entering the word total under the final employee name. Okay, so we just need to copy the word total. We need to paste in the Excel sheet. So this is our final employee name, so we need to paste here. Okay, done. The question number 7, use a function to calculate the salaries, total salaries in the appropriate cell. Use the same function to calculate the total commission. Okay, so simply what we need to do, we need to calculate the salaries and commission. So we will put the formula is equal to sum. Okay, then use the sum function, double click on the function, and then select the range. Okay, so range start from here and finish here, then press the bracket close, then press enter. Okay, so we have done this. Also need to put the formula here is equal to sum of function, select the range, bracket close, press enter. Okay, so we have done question number 7. Okay, the question number 8 is saying that to finish up the worksheet, it should also show the total number of employees as well as the average commission. Start by entering the number of employees in the top left shaded cell below the employee information table. Okay, so move to the Excel sheet. Okay, and in the top left shaded cell below the employee information, where the employee information is mentioned. Okay, so we need to paste the number of employees here. Okay, done this. And what he is saying further, and average commission, control C, average commission in the bottom left shaded cell. So this is our bottom, so paste here, control V. Okay, done. So question number 9, use a function to count the number of employees in the top right space to complete the worksheet. Okay, So we will go here is equal to, we will use the counter function, count function, and enter the range from cell A5 to A16, because the employee names are mentioned from cell A5 to A16. Okay, then bracket close, press enter. So 12 number of employees. Okay, now move to the next question. Question number 10. The cash flow worksheet also need to be completed. Begin by changing its orientation to landscape. Okay, now we will go to cash flow sheet, and then we need to change the orientation. So for the orientation we need to go page layout, then go to or click on the orientation and click on landscape. Okay, now move to the next question. Question number 11. Add cash flow before the date to mirror the title information on the personal worksheet. So copy this add flow before the date. Okay, so this is our date. So before the date we need to paste cash flow here and then click OK or press enter. Okay, we have done this. So the 12 question number, the font of for the table headers and the note should be larger. Increase the font size of the each to 12 point. Okay, so go, this is our table header. So we will change the font size to 12. Okay, so also need to change the font size of note 12. Okay, so we have done this. Question number 12. Question number 13. To better display the content, decrease the height of the row 3 to 8 point. Okay, so this is row number 3. Change the row height, click 3 and OK. So question number 13 is complete. Now move to the question number 14. Determine the profit generated from auto insurance policy by subtracting auto expenses from the auto sale. Use a similar formula to show the profit for home and life insurance policy. Okay, so simply what we need to do, click here in the profit cell, is equal to bracket, this is auto sale minus expenses, bracket close, press enter. Okay, done. Same we need to done here, is equal to bracket sale for home minus expenses, center. Same for the life, is equal to sale, first we need to put the bracket, then click on sale minus expenses, bracket close, enter. Okay, so we have done question number 14. Okay, so 14 questions are complete, only 5 questions are remaining left. Very easy assignment, you can share with me, I will complete for you, and my WhatsApp and email is mentioned in the video description. Okay, you can contact with me anytime. We will meet in the next video. For the time being, thank you so much and goodbye.